Okay, yes, my style spiraling English बोल्छु. Okay, we want prank to be Diksha Didi. Actually, what happened भने नि, we do not prank each others किनभने we are so much stupid people. We cannot prank each other because we are talent. We know how kurapati we are, and when I will prank her, she will know already. When she will prank me, I will know already. And this type of prank, the what type of prank? This not ending, no. This is not making good prank. That's why not pranking. Otherwise, pranking. What become acting good, na acting good. Everybody we acting good, nice, and we acting video download become upload become. Hi, thank you so much. Cute. Thank you so much. Nice. Best English in the world. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I know, but also I can say thank you so much, my girls and boys and my uncles and aunties and Tula mummies and Tula baus and Hosurama and Hosurbas and everybody. Mugani Puanchana, please one song. Okay, this is like this phrase, like this phrase, like this tasty, like this phrase, like this tasty. I don't know. Oh my god, English song is so nice. So I mean, English song is so अप्ठ्यारो no. That's I don't know. These people are what doing. English is what? English is nice. झापा हो कि केटीएम आई एम झापा खरखरी बोलाऊ त छोरी अंग्रेजी दिस टाइप अफ आई बोर्डिङ English school reading and I talking English so nicely. How long your hair? My long hair is so long that I can whatever. स्मारिकाको किन आई डोन्ट नो त्यो वाइएफ क्वेसन चाहिँ मलाई नसोध्नु होला, जसलाई सोध्नुपर्ने उहाँलाई सोध्नु होला. यो अर्काको चासो नलेको राम्रो भन्छु म चाहिँ. दिस टाइप अफ चासो इज नट लिङ न आफ्नो आफ्नो वर्क डुइङ. वाइ अर्काको चासो बिकमिङ माई आई अल्सो डोन्ट नो. लुक हाउ सिन्सियर आई एम. आई नट चासो. माई सिस्टर सी इज माई सिस्टर अल्सो. आई नट चासो त वाइ यु चासो नट चासो न नट चासो. आवर वर्क डु न. वाइ कमिङ इधर न उधर. यु वान्ट टु नो एभ्रीबडी होइन. देख्छ यस टेल न. यस टेल त टेल न. यस टेल त. यस थ्याङ्क यू. माई सिस्टर अल्सो टेलिङ यस. झापाली चेली माई. यस यु आर टकिङ झापाली चेली. यु आर टेलिङ नाइस. हुँदै त
No.
Why Chiaso? Yes, I am also your fan. Thank you so much. I know. Thank you. Whatever. Yeah. Thank you so much. No. Dolly go English. No, Dolly. I am very ugly. What is the doll? Why so beautiful, Didi? I am beautiful because by the birth. You know, I birth so nicely. I become beautiful and my take care so goodly and I look very beautiful. Ke bhasha ho yo? This is English. You know, this is English boarding school. This is British English. This is mix of British English, American English, Chinese English, Japanese English, you know. By the way, Nepali song please. No, I am English people. Why? Today not English, Nepali talk no Nepali please. No Nepali. Nepangezi. Oh my god, nice one. Yes, I like it. हजुरको YouTube को भिडियो कति राम्रो. Don't talk Nepali. I am telling English talk न English talk and I will talk English न. खोइले न यो सिरानी मेरो ढाड दुखो पनि. नाटक दिक्छ भेटेको. Why are you ignoring my text? Why are you ignoring my text? I am so sorry. I am not ignoring your text. You know, I am not ignoring your text. I am not ignoring. I am doing ignoring. Khatra English Didi. Thank you so much. Pechitian. Thank you. You are so cute too. Thank you so much. English the bubble goira. Best Nepali English. Yes. Khatra English Didi. I go to Zapako Bato. Where you go back Zapako Bato? Where do go? You where go? Go where? What is this? Didi, she is sleeping also poko, sleeping there. So becoming what is this girl is not working in the Nepal, I know. These people cannot eat by working. This will eat and work. Not future in Nepal, not future in this you will go to Pluto, I think. And Pluto and disappear. Otherwise why is घरलाई पशुतिङ हैन खायो कमिङ घरलाई पशुतिङ यसो यताउता डुलिङ. why doing this like people. These people is so stupid people. I don't know why she is doing like this. हजुर कति राम्री. I know I am beautiful by the birth and what happened becoming अझै beautiful. Jupiter base. No, she is going to Pluto and disappear. You know, this type of policy people cannot sit in Nepal or she cannot sit in this planet. Whole planet is bad for her. I know this type of people cannot sit here. I'm big fan. Thank you so much. Nepali song, please. No, my mom watching your video and दाल भात डराइङ. Oh my god, mom, don't do like that. Why dal bhat doraing? This dal bhat doraing, then these people will always correct you, na. You have to watch, but watch and take your mobile to kitchen and watch na. Then doring also गनाइङ सुरुमै अनि थोरै थोरै डडिङ त अनि सुरुमै थाहा पाइङ त अनि धेर न डडिङ नि त अनि त्यसरी धेरै डडाइङ त अनि घरमा गाली गरिङ अनि छोराछोरीले यसरी नै मेरो मलाई यहाँ हेर्नु त यहाँ लुक आई एम कमिङ आन्टी लुक एट माई कमेन्ट योर छोरी बेटी रानी इज टेलिङ वाट टु मी कति न मैले के न डुइङ भनेर जस्तो गरेर हेर लुकिङ आन्टी नट डुइङ ल अबदेखि किचनमै लगिङ थोरै डुइङ होइन अन्तखेरि थोरै हेरिङ गनाइङ त ग्यास निभाइहालिङ नत्र भने मलाई गाली नखुवाइङ है त्यहाँ खुरुक्कन हेर्ने पकाउँदै काम गर्दै गरिङ तिमी जस्तै केटी बुहारी चाहिएको भन्छिन्छ मम्मीले रे. Oh my god, one me, how much people going to becoming buhari, huh? खोजिङ न माई जस्तै people. One single me going इधर र उधर, what do? I know I am pretty, I know I am 32 lakhs and but also it means I am going to everybody buhari, not this happen, no? खोजिङ न, there are so many people. I know I cannot, I know I am beautiful than others, but also, you know. दिनु मलाई इङ्ग्लिस सिकाउन. यु क्यान टक इङ्ग्लिस हियर, नट नेपाली नट टाइप न हाउ टु अनि एकैचोटि इङ्ग्लिस त अनि सुरुमा अलिअलि टकिङ इन इङ्ग्लिस फाटाफुट एन्ड यु विल नो न कस्तो टल्क्याउ. यस टल्किङ फ्रम द बर्थ. गुड इङ्ग्लिस. थ्याङ्क यू सो मच एमसी. एम एज अल्सो डराइङ. दिस मम्मी इज भेरी स्टुपिड. मम्मी डोन्ट डु न लाइक द्याट. लगिङ टु द मोबाइल इन द किचन, looking in the mobile and poking the bath. Why doing the bath and crying the people, huh? Don't do. Watching my म अब इङ्ग्लिस बोल्दिनँ, मेरो फेरि बेचत हुन्छ. होइन बोल्छु. दिदी मेरो लागि जिएफ खोजिदिनु न. आई एम नट अ लमी टु खोजिङ द बिएफ जिएफ हियर. ओके, यु खोजिङ योर सेल्फ. What do you look? I do my neither telling I am a GF BF खोजिङ people? Huh? What do you understand? Don't underestimate the power of Binu Adhikari. Okay? Big fan English को bye. Hi. Okay. Thank you. मेरो न्यू भिडियोमा लाइक कमेन्ट गरिदिनुहोस् न. ओ माई गड, वाट आई एम समटाइम बिकमिङ लमी, समटाइम लाइक कमेन्टर. वाट इज बिकमिङ प्रोफेसर अफ बिनु इङ्ग्लिस. sometime Lomi becoming sometime liker commenter. What is this? Yourself do na your video making and we do like and comment. You video make and we do like comment. What type of TikTok you make, huh? If your video like and comment not coming yourself means you are not making good type of video. You should make good type of video, then you should not beg for like and comment. Look at me, how nice video I make and bururururu like comment come. We become like me, kya? Like me, okay? Ha he who. Talk in English, laugh in English, okay? Don't ha. You should do the ha. Don't underestimate the power of Binoj Maki. Yes, so English ko training linu chare. Okay. I can give you training about 10,000 per hour. What happened? I become rich. Just W, not Bill Gates. I want to learn English from you. No, sorry, I'm busy. I have to first take appointment. I have to talk with my personal assistant and I have to tell you, okay? Searching for Janish. Who is Janish? Yes, yes, I eat, I eat. What about you? How to laugh in English? Do ha ha ha, do ha ha ha, do ha ha ha. Oh, Rakesh Basneji is filling the pool, giving to the me. Thank you, Rakesh Basneji. So all of you follow the Rakesh Basneji. Khana bo didi. Don't talk English. I don't talk Nepali here. I talking English. You talk Nepali. I forgot Nepali. I forgot English. Oh my God, what I'm talking. Oh, whatever, whatever. दिदी दिदीसँग इङ्ग्लिस सिक्नु पर्यो. डोन्ट टक नेपाली, डोन्ट टक नेपाली, टक इङ्ग्लिस इन माई लाइफ, डोन्ट टक नेपाली. थ्याङ्क यू स्केच स्केच डट 001. फलो स्केच डट 001 अल्सो. ओके एभ्री वान एन्ड से डन ओके. बिनु दिदी सेङ द्याट मच द यु क्यान डु नि त. सिजल पौडेल हाई. यु डिजर्भ ब्लू टिक. ओ माई गड यु आर सो स्विट. आई नो आई डिजर्भ बट वाट डु नो बडी गिभ ब्लू टिक माई सेल्फ. Sometimes I think I should blue tick my phone so that I can thandak my आँखा. Sketch, thank you so much. I deserve blue tick. I don't know why blue tick doesn't deserve me. I think I know I deserve blue tick, but blue tick doesn't deserve me. He is so bad. Otherwise, why not coming to my ID? Yes, tell if you have source force. If blue tick is your afanta sapanta, message that blue tick and tell go to Binu. That stupid blue tick is not coming to me. What happened to this blue tick? Big fan, thank you. I Binu moke one way. Hey, talk in English. I am talking. Why talking in Nepali? I am increasing my capability of English, and you are coming and talking Nepali. What happened and how I talk English, huh? Future not going America also. You also not going America. I also becoming what? I think your Wi-Fi is slow, Didi. I know, baby. I know, Sharmila. I know. Sing एक दिन नदेख्दा. This is my 2 years 3 years पुरानो हेयरबिन. This is not sing, by the way. You can sing. I can sing, but this is not sing. Oh my god, what type of English? This is so good. I am so sorry also becoming English in English. I can sing, but this is not sing. Yes, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can do anything. I am now Sairi becoming. I am now Sairi becoming in English. Just now I am talking English in speed. Just now I am becoming Sairi. Oh my god. Hello Didi, hi. Didi, you playing Firi game? Sorry, I cannot. I have no fursat to Sashling also, and I will Firi game. Coming and guys cutting to the my guy. Sitting kind. Gum ki gum not come in home. Play Free Fire, play what? PUBG sabji. I ta busy. I have no time. सास फेर्ने फुर्सद not becoming. You playing Firi giving one. सानो नानी हाई. Very busy people I am. Don't tell. Bye प्रभा. राज खड्काजी लाफिङ हे. मैले फर्स्ट टाइम तिम्रो भिडियो हेरेको चटपटेवाला थिएँ. ओ गड रे. हेलो हाई. कस्तो खतरा English. I know. Sketch is sending me cookies. Look. Now I will Motang Indrati sending me cookies. Look. Hi Renukaji. Look, thank you Sketch. Everybody follow Sketch. Can you tell my name is Sunikshit? No, I cannot tell your name. No, I cannot. How can I tell your name? My name is Binu Adhikari. Tell na Binu Didi, tell. Ramanji again joining my live, looking English, listening to my English. Ha बाहिरै हाँसे. Okay, you should talk English. Hey, in my life nobody talk Nepali. All talk English. Otherwise go to other Nepali talking people. How talking my face talking, because I walk. I am so beautiful. That's why. Hello. Last time what rice? So what? I am eating my rice, not your rice. If I am डर लाग्दी मोटी, then I am not coming to your home. If I am beautiful also, I am not coming your home. So be ढुक्का, okay? Iskej, thank you so much, Iskej ji. What did you eat today, or maybe drink? Raksha, nothing. Today I eat what? Nothing is special. Every day usual eating. Because of you are talking because of light. Sorry, I am talking by birth. Stupid Irishing people. What type of Irish you are? Oh, eh? This case is sending you wait so that you can digest cookies. Oh, nice. Thank you, Sketchy. Thank you. You are so intelligent. You are second intelligent people in Nepal. First is me. I know. They पनि you are first, second intelligent people in Nepal. Eh? Bidukka, yes. So beautiful, Didi. I know. Thank you. Otherwise also. Yeah, not otherwise. Thank you, by the way. No, she is always glowing. You never notice. Her skin is very healthy. Thank you, Raksha. So sweet of you. How sweet. Hats up to your English. Which hat? Black hat or white hat? I like nothing. I like hairband. Don't say hats up. No, I am wearing hairband and you are saying hats up. You should say hairband off your English. What type of people you are? Oh, I am saying not wearing hat and you are saying hats up. You have to. What do you like about us? I don't know what are you telling. Hey, Roxy, I am not understanding. Hey, कस्तो होला मैले त एउटा रिप्लाई पनि पाइन रे. Oh my god, यहाँ people are not getting to it and you are rowing in the not coming reply. I know nowadays what become to the people. Oh, what become to the people? People are crying for not getting food and not getting water in Africa, and you are crying because I not replying you. This not becoming. I don't like this cry. I have a dare for you. Can you do what dare? Tell now. Why not? Sure. I am a dare pari. You know, dare pari. Baba ki pari not. I am dare pari. Are kya? Wow. What an English talent. Are. Oh my god. Thank you. You will be my GF. You will be my GF sometime. Then I will dogging you. No, don't dogging me. Didi tapeko English. Wow. Thank you so much. I am your big fan. Thank you. Today Binu is in mood. Yes. No. I actually पहिला do like this in video and what wow nice become. Yes. And nowadays I not doing I coming live coming hi coming what becoming झर्को लाग्यो हैन. आमै thank you gifter boy TKD जी everybody follow TKD जी है. गिफ्टर बोय जीलाई सबैजनाले फलो बिकम ओके. Broken queen. Oh my god, these people are broken now. And what happened to your name? Oh, what happened to your name? I also put broken Binu. And what happened to your name? Or your name is broken? Oh, what become to me? Who is your Pandit? Tell me now. Who is your Pandit? Please tell him you have to change your name. Otherwise, tell me, I will tell that Pandit. Which Pandit will tell? Oh, broken queen. What is becoming to nowadays?